right, good morning, good morning. All right, welcome to another episode of Trading with Easy and the Oracle. It's going to be Monday, August 24th, 2026. And let's talk about the market for a second. And what has been a very weird morning. More of a, listen, textbook morning. Listen, man, you don't get no textbook in this. But, yep. Look at that. This coming off. This coming off the,
That's the 9 that's coming off, huh?
No, this is the 200.
From up there, yeah, the 200.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, just textbook play. We got into this play, and we got to open it this morning. I had made this a minor mistake, and I had hit the button by accident and got out the trade. But it's a textbook trade. I mean, you don't get no better than this. You have a. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm excited because you usually don't see textbook trades like this, but this was textbook, guys.
The opening too.
At the opening, yeah. I know we came off of the 200. I mean, nice little Powerball candle. We got in right here. We rode it about 3 candles down. Well, I rode it 3 candles down that I got out.
Stayed in a little longer.
You stayed in a little longer and got about maybe 1 or 2 more candles, and you got out. And it has been a fantastic run. So we came out the narrow state on the 200, came slamming down. We got the 20 right here. It's just this beautiful textbook play, man. Right? It's still going down. I mean, you can't chase it. So
new hour about to come in though.
Yes.
So for us to continue low, we need to break the 958 area.
Yes. Whew. It's beautiful.
We need to break the 958 area if we're going lower. Kind of set up to go low.
Yeah.
15-minute candle have a good wick on it.
Mm-hmm.
RSI is really low.
Yeah, RSI is low. Gee whiz. So right now, in order for us to look at a second trade, she got to come back up, don't get me wrong, the 20 is not as wide as I would like, so we still got a lot to go to the downside here, because the 20 is not as wide. So, man.
It might actually retrace up for a retest, you think?
It may come back up and hit the 20 and do a continuation, come back down. If it come back and hit the 20 and the 20 rejected and come back down, I might take another short. But right now, it's just beautiful, guys. So let's go and talk about the market for a second. And we're on the hourly chart here, and so the market opened up right here as more of a doji candle, and the market has been going down ever since. I have the Fibonacci here on it, and as you can see, the Fibonacci all the way right here at the 38.2. You see that? Strong trend down. So we got, it touched the 38.2, touched the 38.2. Then this candle went up all the way and almost tapped the 50% Fibonacci. Then the 7 o'clock candle went back up to the 38.2. And then the 8 o'clock candle hit the 38.2 and it slammed down. So if you look at market structure, this is a perfect market structure. You got downward trend, then you have a correction, then you have a continuation. On the hourly time frame, you got your starter market structure, you got your pullback, then you have your continuation. So this is textbook right here. Okay, so that's what you're looking for. And so right here, and here's the thing, since this 8 o'clock candle gonna be so powerful, I'm looking forward to seeing the 9 o'clock candle doing a formal retracement back to maybe 50% of the fib on the hourly candle for more of a reversal. So that's because of the 8 o'clock candle being so big. But yeah. All right. Good morning.
15. Good morning.
So this is one of the good things about day trading. The weekend, you get the Friday, you get off the charts about 10 a.m., 11 a.m. in the morning, and you have the whole day Friday. You got the whole day Saturday, whole day Sunday to do whatever you got to do and get ready for the battlefield on Monday. And the crazy thing about Mondays is that when you get a good, perfect, a plan like this, then you just think to yourself, once you get off the chart at 10, 11 o'clock today, you get ready for tomorrow. So we have the 15-minute orb ready to go. We'll put that up there. 15-minute orb right there.
Everything's set up.
Yep.
So, yeah, trying to see how this is going to work out. Damn, we're coming up 50%. We retracing 50% of this candle? Can't be. Cannot be.
Okay, so the dark blue line here represents the 15-minute orb. Okay, so we got the 15-minute orb here. This is the top of the 15-minute orb. This is the bottom. So as the 15-minute orb was a huge candle, we are within the 15 minutes. Look like we're going tap the 20, which is fine, right? We hit the 20, we reject the 20, and we come down. That's a short opportunity. As long as we don't go over the 20, which I doubt it.
Over the 20?
Yeah, I doubt it.
I don't know. It is pointed down, and like
Yes.
I always say, when it's pointed down like that, that means that candle in this becomes the bottom, and that shit shoot right up. We just resist it and go up.
Love it. Textbook play this morning. Oh man. You just don't get no better than this. I mean, I don't know what else to say.
Hour. So if I do the hour over here. No.
Okay. So basically what I'm looking for to enter a second trade is to let this come up, get close to the 20, let the 20 resist it from the 20, pop it right there, then maybe come back down. Or you could put a Fibonacci right here. Let's go from the bottom to the top over here. So the 20 is at the 50% fib. So the 20 is a 50% Fibonacci. So if it taps the 20 and it doesn't go over the 20 back to the 200, then we looking for a short opportunity back down outside of the 15-minute range. That'd be a nice short. Nice short.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. That'd be a beautiful short.
We got one more minute.
Yeah. All right, so we about to hit the 9 o'clock candle. So I'm thinking the 9 o'clock candle may go up, hit the 50% fib to get its wick and do a continuation. Or we may get a whole retracement of the 8 o'clock candle. There may be a reversal. It all depends on what it do at the 20.
Yeah, if we go over it, well, that's going to be going into the 50% though.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we get to see.
Yep.
Right now, we in between the 23 and the 38.
Yep. In between the 23 and the 38. So right now, the best thing to do is sit on your hands if you're looking for a second play. If you didn't catch the open, you got to wait.
Gotta wait. Because now we're back into the orb.
Now we're inside the orb,
yeah. So, yeah, we gotta wait and see.
Yep.
Let us see.
Yeah.
I think this hourly candle, we should come back to the orb to get a wick. Let's see. Let's see if we go down to the orb.
Wow. What an awesome play.
Yeah.
I love it.
That's a pretty big pullback.
That's
so
a
look at how those
yeah.
green candles. Yeah.
We have the famous John Wick candle right here, and then it goes up. It taps if it taps to 20 and it comes back down, then we should be good to go. But look like she ain't even doing that. This market is going down. She would hit.
Let's see.
She right at the 23.6.
Yeah. Damn, yeah, we done come retest in the orb, so.
All right, there we go. Now, what I'm looking for is the market to hit right there at the 20, possibly go up, maybe peep its head over the 20, hit the 50% fib, and come back down. I'm not doing nothing in this area right here. Nah, I need to get some form of pullback.
Well,
now look at the 20 though. The 20 is just coming down. Shoo. The 20 was at the 50% fib. Now it's at the 38.2. So we may not get no pullback to the 50% fib in this area right here. So my next play will probably be outside of the orb, you think?
Definitely. We ain't getting in nothing in the orb.
Right.
Yeah. Definitely wait till we come out of the orb.
Gee whiz, I mean, look at that. It's just
yeah.
Ooh,
Wow.
ooh.
I don't trust that though, because there's no wick on the top of that. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, there's a wick on the top.
Yeah, you got a little wick on the top. Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
coming out the orb.
She only hit the 23.6. That's the farthest she going up.
Yeah.
And the reason why is because the 20 is so powerful right now, pushing it down. And yeah, man, beautiful.
Come on now, we gotta get something closed outside of the orb here.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful. Shoo. Man, that could have been into for a shot right there.
I would have liked to see it touch the 20.
Yeah.
But, you know, I wanted to get something off of the 20.
Off of the 20. This is a scary situation right here because it came down so much right now.
Well, we haven't made equal low yet. Let's see. That look like what we're trying to do now.
We double bottom down here. We might shoot back
That's
up.
what I need to see. And that will be at 0% of the fib.
Right.
So let's see.
And let's see if we look at the hour. Let's see how that 1 hour did it get its wick.
Yeah, it's got a good wick. It's got a good wick, and
All
it's
right.
making an equal low right there at the 100%. That's why I want to see if we're gonna come out of that. Make sure we're not gonna hit it, triple bottom down there, and come back up.
Nice. Shout out to everybody that's watching it live.
Thank you.
Make sure you share. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put it down in the comments below.
Okay. Looks like we're trying to come out of that. Because we double bottom down here.
Yeah, we double bottom. Beautiful. Okay, yep.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
So right now we resting at the orb.
Yep. And this is scary because since we had a huge downward trend, is the market exhausted? Should it retrace Should it consolidate in this area for a second move, or are we going up? Now that's the ultimate question. That's why you got to sit on your hand.
Yeah. Okay. We did think off that, but we need to break this. Come out of this area altogether, because we're just ranging right there. So you don't want trade in that. That's under the 9. The 20 is really pointed down.
Yeah, I mean the 20 looks good. The 20 looks good.
Yeah. Okay, we're breaking those equal lows down there. Are we? Keep going.
RSI pretty low though.
Pretty low, huh?
Yeah, that's what made me think we're gonna get some form of retracement back up, because the RSI is way down at the bottom. So I'm thinking I want to see something before we come crashing back down. So what we're seeing right now is no volume. That's telling me that the big dogs is taking the rest, because we had a big move, fast move, a lot of volume here coming down, and all of a sudden now we stuck. It's ranging, yeah. So that just tell you that you got to wait, got to sit on your hands. If you missed the play, you know what? Today is Monday. It's all good. Like. Don't get FOMO, and that's the whole thing. Don't get FOMO. Oh my God, it's about to go down. Oh my God, let me get in. And all of a sudden it shoots up. We didn't been in those situations before. We'd have been in situations where, and the only reason why it's kind of making me hesitate to even take a short is because the 8 o'clock candle was too big.
Yeah, it was powerful.
It's too powerful. That means you need some form of retracement. Even though it's kind of give you signs of continuation, looking at the RSI, looking at the powerful candle, the previous one, it just make you think that it had to come up a little bit, unless you want to get stuck in drawdown. FOMO, that big beat up. I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, you don't want to get FOMO. Like, if you didn't catch the open this morning, this is what we caught this morning, all the way down right here. You can't take these trades right here, because you just range it up and down.
You get in and think you're going up, and then you get red candle down. You get in, think you're going down, candle go back up. So as long as we got that box across, don't trade it.
Right.
Until we price breaks those points. So.
Right. Because right now we just we hit the 23.6. I'm not saying that we don't have a room to come down, but at this point
to the downside.
Yeah.
Let's see. I wanna see. What would target be though?
Ted, when you look at it, is so crazy when you look at this. So when you look at the hourly, and you go down and you go to the side and say, okay, what's the target? Gee, look at that. There's no target. Like, you have nothing but downward trend.
Yeah.
The next pivot point is way at 28,800. Around in that area is the next pivot point. Because if you look at how the market was just going straight down here, you don't have no pivot points at all until maybe the 28,800. So the market may be going in that direction. When you look at the 4 hour, let's look at the 4 hour, may give you a little more clarification of where the market may go.
Yeah, because from the hourly.
Yeah, the hourly is telling you this sucker is coming down. So if you look at that, what's your next pivot point? Way down here on 28,800.
Another pivot we may run into is about the start of 655. around in that area.
Yeah, 655.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the market might just go way in this area right here because we got this area right here at the
That's a long ways down.
28,800. Then
28,800 look a little clear, huh?
28. Well, yeah, we a little further down, like
Okay.
28,700 area, 28,700.
Okay.
If you look at the 28,700 area, you got a big pool of candles here.
Okay, so look,
candles
this a better view of it.
Yes.
Up in here and here, here. So
Yeah.
wow.
That 4 hour,
1, 2,
right?
3. Yep. Okay. So we got something in that area. So I don't know, honey. Where we going? Let's see. We're looking down though.
Yep. So we have a downward trend here. Boom, boom. I mean, this beautiful, beautiful trend coming down. So that's where we at right now. Go back here.
Okay, we're coming on down to it. Now this is where I wanted to see if we break this. We back down here again for the third time.
I've been testing out new indicators that's been helping me out this weekend. It's not 100%, but I use it with the 220. Has been very helpful. What new indicator? What's the name of it? What new indicator?
The VWAP?
The VWAP? Or,
But they've been made equal lows down there again, but we're not breaking out of this 100%. So the next push up gotta retrace to the 50% because we've been to the 23.
Yeah.
In between the 23 and 38. If that's what we're doing. Or we're breaking. Yeah.
Oh, we about to break this. Shit.
I mean, I'm not trying to be anxious, but you know.
God, it's like the market is showing you that it's no upward trend right now. It's called the UT bot alert. Okay. The only thing you got to be careful with if you're using those type of indicators and bots and stuff like that, once you start getting into, just be careful bots. Just be careful bots. That's all.
Yeah, when you get your setup, we'll walk you through how to set your 20, your 200 and stuff up, and your Fibonacci and all that stuff. So you'll have it on your chart.
So what it's doing is double bottom down here.
We're not breaking those lows. So what we do, we sit on our hands. Wait
Yeah, you got to wait
until we break price.
And again, if we miss it, we miss it. But
right.
Yeah, this at a pivot point where you have the market is getting close to the 20, which is good, but your 20 is now becoming wide, right? And I mean, it could go wider, but I would like for it to see what it's going to do at the 20. If it gets at the 20 and it's continued to come down, we good.
The 20 is moving down though.
So the 20 is moving down.
But that concerns me because we can go above that.
Yeah.
And we are wide now.
Yeah, we are wide,
so,
yeah.
Yeah.
We're seeing the double bottom down here.
This sucker here tricky.
Yeah, there's so many indicators. Oh yeah, they got thousands of indicators. I mean thousands of indicators. So it tapped on the 20. So, let's see.
Let's see if we pop down. So what you trading this morning? Bitcoin? Yeah, we at the 20.
Yep.
Look how now it's not so much pointed down. It's
right,
slightly starting to slant. Yep.
Yes. Got to be careful now because now the 20, instead of it's going straight down, we starting to get a little slanted. That's kind of give you a little sign of a possibility that it may be curving up, going back to the 200.
Plus side, yep. Yep.
See that? This is one of the reasons why you can't take the short. This is one of the that's one of the reasons why you can't take the short.
That would be crazy because
Yeah, she said Bitcoin.
okay. So look, we at equal these candle wicks are equal.
I know.
The 8 o'clock and the 9 o'clock is equal.
That's why.
And sometimes this is a retracement candle. So
this is the double bottom. See, that's what I'm saying. Like, this is a double bottom down here. That means that if it's a double bottom, we're looking for maybe a some sort of V-shaped recovery right here. So this is why you can't take the short.
If we didn't break price down.
We didn't break price down there because, and so you know, back long time ago, we used to be excited. We were like, you know what, let's take this short, and all of a sudden we be stuck.
Yep. So we started putting a box around those candles that's just in that cluster right there, and will not take a trade until it break price. So let's see.
Yep. I'm leaning towards a long at this point.
Yeah,
I'm leaning towards a long.
We rejected the and this is the 0% of the fear. That means if we go down here, we changing. But if we get above this, babe, it's 20.
The only reason why I'm thinking long, well, maybe it all depends on this 20.
Yeah. Let's see.
Somebody told me the 1 minute time frame is the devil. I was starting to believe it.
And I absolutely love the 1 minute time frame.
When we on the 2 minute, we trade the 2 minute.
Yeah, the 2 minute. We mostly trade the 2 minutes so we could trade the opening. The 2 minute is good. Yeah, the 1 minute. I love the 1 minute, but it tricks me on my trades every time.
Because you get a lot of green red candles, red candles.
You thinking it's going in that direction and it's not. But if you get your bias from the higher time frame, you could kind of scalp it. But the 2 minute is what I like to do.
Yeah, 2 minute. So we on the 2 minute.
The 5 minute is good too.
Yeah. Is this, if you look at the 15 minute, the 15 minute looks like a short actually. It is making it look like a short. So it looks,
I go over that, huh?
Yeah. So if you look at the 15 minute, you had a strong pull down, right? And then we had a upward, then we got two 15-minute candles going down. So the 15-minute candle showing signs of a short.
Let me see.
Yeah, the 15-minute candle give you signs of a short. But you could be in the 15-minute consolidation also. This is why you have to break price down here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then the question.
15 minute, I don't like to set up too much.
Yeah, me neither. I don't like to set up on the 15-minute because this is a consolidation, right? We still in the box. I'm still at the point where if you look at the 1 hour, I would like to see price come up and give me at least 50% of this candle, because since we're on the new 4 hour, I don't like that small wick on the 4 hour. I would like to see that 4 hour wick to be bigger. That means that if this 4 hour matched up with this one and it comes up,
we could be going up. Yeah.
We could be coming up, and that'd be a nice long wick for a 4 hour candle. That's what I'm looking for. If you look at the 4 hour, your 4 hour candles, you got nice little lengthy wicks on them. boom. See how long the wicks is on the 4 hours? So you say, okay, cool. It double bottom down here. We could get an upward trend. We'll take that off. Take this off. We could get an upward trend back up here and go back and hit the 2. Look at the 200 on the 4 hour. Look at that, man. If you trade the 4 hour candle, you had a look at that.
That's off the 20.
No, this is off the 200.
200. Okay.
Holy shit.
Let me see. Look at what we're doing now. We're pushing the back up to the 100%. Yeah. That's the 4 hour.
That's the 4 hour, man. So at 5 a.m. this morning, the market came off of the 200, perfect off of the 200, right? God.
So is this it? That shit. Yeah, that was perfect.
That was perfect off of the 2. That's a guaranteed short to go at least 500 points. Damn. Yep. Whew. That is just sweet.
I'm thinking maybe I just want to retrace to about the 30 to 50% to get a wick and then come down.
Yeah. I'm still leaning. So we went over the 20. So here's the thing. If we get a candle, now that you look at the this is very important. You have the 9 EMA cross. You then got a power candle that went over the 20. If this red candle here rejects the 20, then we on an upward trend. So we looking for a rejection off of the 20. We may not get a rejection off the 20. Shit, this is why I was thinking long. That's why I was thinking long. I still would like to see a rejection off the 20 though. But look at that, the 9 EMA cross off of the 20. That's why I was thinking long. Well, it took 20 minutes to do this. So
that hourly candle is green.
Yes. So here's my thought process. If we go and retrace up to the 50% fib, then we might go up to the 50% fib and come back down, or we going back up to the 200. Definitely a little long right here. Because we got this one power candle that engulfed, wiped out all these candles over here. So now I want to see this candle right here reject the 20 in order to take a long. Okay, let's see. All right, now she gone to the 20. If she reject the 20, look for a long. Yep, there it is. It hit the EMA. Let's see if we go reject. Now you're seeing that the 20 is starting to curve up. Okay, now she's been black. Okay, here we go. Is this the rejection? Here's it, rejection. Gotta be careful in this part right here.
Definitely.
Because now we have the 20. The 20 starting to curve up, and now she rejecting the 20. Let's see. I would like for the next candle to be green, to go up past this power candle right here. Then I'll take the long, but I needed to pass this candle right here. Okay, look at that. Let's see what she gonna do.
Let's see.
Yeah, she ain't finished coming down. This is why you have to sit on your hands and chill. The long did look good until that candle just when this is what you always want to see. You want to see when a candle break the 20, you want a candle to come back down and retest that 20. If it rejects the 20 and go up, then it's a long. But it look like we breaking a 20 and we coming back down. Yep. Damn. That's why you got to wait. I don't have a wick on it. Okay, there we go. Now I want to see if it goes back over the 20. I would like for it to break over this candle right here, to engulf this candle. The previous candle. I want to see engulfing of this previous candle, and then longs will be in play. If not, then longs are not. Right now it's still kind of messing around. Okay, so here we go. We see it starting to come up. We got the EMA and the 20 is kind of in line with each other right now.
Yeah, we're about to get a new 30-minute candle coming.
Yeah, here we go. There we go. Come on now. Engulf that candle. And my target to be the 50% fib.
Yeah.
Or if it get close to the 50% fib, it may go all the way up to the 200.
Let's see. Because we've been a little wide for a little minute. Not too wide, but you know.
Yeah. So we've been stuck in this area for, maybe 30 minutes. We've been stuck in this area for about 30 minutes. So I'm still long biased right now, because once it broke the 20 and it came down, it looked like we coming back up. Once we engulf this candle right here, I'm in it for a long. We got to engulf this candle. Yep. I'm gonna go light on this one. Okay. We broke it. Let's see. Okay. I'm in the long. Target gonna be 50% fib. Sell. Okay. Stop loss gonna be right under the previous candle. I ain't giving it too much room. One candle stop. We engulfed, but we still hesitating. It's okay. Let's see. Might go just a little, give it a little more room right there. So I'm in the long.
And the price to break right above that.
Yeah, 15 minute right there. Yeah. Okay. 30 minute coming in.
Off the 20,
Off of the 20, off of the 9. Yep. There it is. And my take profit. Ooh, I might add shit. Jeez. Yeah. Jeez. Yep. My target is gonna be 50% of the Fibonacci. So I'm gonna stay with this. I'm only going to
I want 6.
You want 6? Okay. Yeah, shit. You know, man. All right, I just raised it up to 4. Yeah, let's get that out the way. I raised it up to 4. Shush. Target is gonna be 50% of the fib.
Yeah, it's
Stop
almost
losses
there.
in place. They're almost there. No, we're almost at the 38. All right. We're about to break out the box. Sweet, sweet, sweet. This beautiful. Okay. Shit, we may retrace this whole candle. All right, we about to break our box. I'm about to take this box
Then
off.
9 is pointed down right under the, slightly right under the 50.
I like and this is what we was talking about earlier. Once you get a 20 that's coming down, you got a candle that broke the 20. What you look for is a candle to reject the 20, right? And it rejected the 20, and now we're going on the upward trend. Beautiful.
And the 38.
And we are almost at the 38 on the Fibonacci. Now this is the Fibonacci right here. Okay. Fibonacci right there. See if I can move the fib over a little bit. Okay. Just move the fib over a little bit. And so we're about to hit the 38.2 on the Fibonacci. My target is up here.
Alrighty.
Perfect.
Love to see it.
Love to see it. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay. Sweet. That's it. It's 50% fib right there. Okay. So all we doing now is waiting. I might go break even on this one so I don't lose nothing. Right. So this is a clean play. Positive play no matter what. Damn, it's about to hit my take profit. Might go up a little bit, right above the 50% fib. Okay. Sweet.
Sweet indeed.
Sweet, sweet, sweet. 4. Okay.
This one I'll have a wick on the bottom of this candle. Well, let's see how that 30-minute came in. That's what I was supposed to be paying attention to.
Don't have a
looks
wick.
Good.
So
Looks good. Looks good. Looks good.
yes. Okay. Getting close. Nice, nice.
Nice, nice.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Good 5. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Hands off the thing. Let it stop me out.
Right. She don't have a wick on the bottom. That's kind of making me think.
Concerning,
Yeah,
huh?
I might take this off.
What time?
She don't have a wick at the bottom. That means she got to come down.
Yeah. I think we ain't gonna go back under the 38. And
The RSI high, so
50%. We're so close to the 50%.
I know we so close to the 50, but I mean, it almost tapped it.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, I got my finger on the trigger. I'm gonna take what I see. Okay. Take what I see.
I gotta stop though right there. It could hit me out, but let's see. Break that. There we go.
There we go. Yep, yep.
Hit it, pop me out.
Pop me out. I'm right at the 50% field.
Me too.
All right.
It's gonna pop.
Here we go.
So we can take it our own selves.
Yep, there it is. All right. Hit the 50% field. All right. Perfect.
Okay.
All right. Let's take off all your market orders.
Okay.
Yep. Take off your market orders. All right. Perfect.
Yep.
Perfect. And now look at what it's doing. It's rejecting the 50% field, but this is why you have to do it the way you do it. It's beautiful.
It could go to the 61.
It could go to 61.
It could even go to the 200, but that was the nearest zone for us.
Oh, man.
Good profit.
Just good profit. Good play.
Good play.
Good play, good profit. So what we saw on the second play was when this candle right here broke the 20. What I was looking for is the candle to come down and reject the 20, which it did. It went peeped underneath the 20. Look, that's okay. But we had another candle went above the 20, and we had this candle rejected the 20 right there, and it engulfed that red candle, and it engulfed this candle. So even if you say, okay, I'm going to wait till it engulfed this candle, then you still had a good play for at least 3 candles up. Okay? But I got in right here, right off of the 20, and I rode it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles up to the 50% Fibonacci, and guess what? Took profit. Done.
Yeah, dang, that's where I got. Well, I actually got in right here, and I took the pullback.
Oh, you took the pullback.
I got in there right there. I took the pullback, and yeah, it took off, and now we doing this, and well, that's our trades for
that's our trades for the day.
I'm you just don't know how just the growth.
The grass, yes, I know.
All over the place with this, like.
Guys, y'all just don't know the years of working hard and
being
trying
trying so many strategies.
Yes.
They don't work. Well, they do work, but we sometimes we don't know how to maneuver them. But yeah, this is growth, big growth.
Yes, because what we do is we can identify exactly the probability of the market, right? Especially when you're looking at the 200 and you're looking at the 20. And these are two powerful indicators. And plus with the non-EMA, what the non-EMA does is it gives you sense of direction. And so that's why we use all three. So we use the non-EMA for a faster response. We use the 200 and we use the 20. Now, here's the thing. If it pop over the 50, we looking at possibly the market is going back up to the 200 because here's the thing. If you look at it, we came out wide. It's got to go back up. Now the 200 is coming back down.
Yeah, the 200 is at 78% of the field.
Right. So the 200 may be coming all the way down to the 61. The 20 go meet it right at maybe the 61 point, and that's it. It's going to meet back to a narrow state and maybe come back down. But yeah.
Yeah. So our target was at 50% of the fib, and
Yep.
it's still that
And
we
it's
took
still-
profits right there, but it's still just ranging in that
Yep.
area right there. So yeah.
So this is so when you look at the 50% fib, that's based off the previous hourly candle.
This makes perfect. Yes, indeed. All right, Joshua. Yeah, so we at 50% of the
Yeah, we
fib
at the 50%
right
of the
now,
fib.
and that's why our take profit was. And yeah, right now it's just stalling right there.
It's stalling right there. So look at this. Let's look at the hourly, and just look at this for a second. I want you to take a peep. So what I did was we put the Fibonacci on the previous hourly candle, and so if we are on the downward trend, since the 8 o'clock candle was so powerful, you want to get at least 50% retracement off the previous candle in order to do a continuation.
Right.
Right.
Or if not, it's a reversal.
It's a reversal.
The market going on the other half up, up.
Right. If we pass the 61.8, this is definitely reversing all the way back up to maybe the 100%, or it's going back up to the 200. So, but this is a safe zone. Like, I feel like if you go take the trade from the bottom and doing a retreat, knowing market structure is down. So you're going against the trend. So if you go against the trend, 50% of the previous candle is probably going to be your target.
Right. You can even aim for 25%.
Yeah,
of the
25% of the candle.
When you get in, you could go to the 20, and that's a nice.
That's
scalp.
a nice
That's
scalp.
a good play if you go heavy enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be 25%, but 50%. That's where we came and looked like we rejecting.
Yep. So we go back to the 2 minute. And if you see on the 2 minute, we and this is what you got to be careful of. Even though we peaked above the 50% fib, all of a sudden now you got a candle that's coming down going below the 50% fib, and it almost tapped the 61.8. But we know
it could be though to get a wick off the 50% to push up.
Probably
it could be. If we don't engulf, we on the 2 minute chart. If this candle we in right now don't engulf the previous green candle, then yeah, this just a pullback candle.
Yep.
We look at Bitcoin. Yeah, let's look at Bitcoin.
BTC. Boom. Let's look at BTC. All right. Okay. So this Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a nice upward trend. It came off of the 200. Ooh, yeah, sweet. Nice, sweet off the 200 right here.
Then went to the 20.
Then went to
and bounced off the 20.
Bounced off the 20.
Yeah,
went
that's
up.
a good play.
Yeah.
And now look like we're coming back to retreat. No, it look like the 9 EMA is holding it.
Yeah.
But I'm about to say it look like you might come back to the
20. So you had a sweet play. Even if you didn't want to play in the danger zone right here and waited until it go above the 20, you still had a fantastic play because you went above the 20, you came down and you rejected the 20, and boom, you went straight up.
Yeah.
So
then you came back and you
retested the 20 again, and then you went up.
Yes.
So yeah, loans was in play. You had two opportunities to get in this loan right off the 200. And then you had an opportunity to get up and twice off the 20, right?
And then the second time.
And the second time, right here. So you had 20 right here. So you had 3 plays. You have off the 200, off the 20, back, retrace the 20, and then you should be, if you're in this trade right here off the 20, you should be good to go.
Looks good.
Looks good, Dean. Looks good for a loan.
She said she got in a loan.
Yes. Looks good for a loan. What
get
did
one
you
off the 20? Get it off the 20.
Yeah. I mean, really good for a loan. Man, this beautiful play off the loan. That looks good.
But look, now you are ranging right now.
Yeah, right there.
You are ranging. See those top about 6 candles right up here at the top, right up there? Right up here.
Yep, right there.
Right up there. Yep, you're ranging right there. So you need to break out of that.
Break out of that and continue to the upside. I mean, Bitcoin may go to 80,000. Shit, 80,000. Matter of fact, it's almost at 80.
Yeah,
Almost at
it's doing
80,000.
good,
It's
though.
doing good.
Oh, she scalped it. She
You
said,
scalped it?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Shoo.
Try the way these markets running in. That's all we could get is enough scalps.
But that's a perfect play.
That's
I mean,
good, though.
this
Look at this, babe. How this 15-minute candle came in at the 50.
At the 50. Yeah.
That looks good.
Yeah.
It must be going to the 200 then.
It's going to the 200. If it keep going up, it's going to the 200. Let me see where it's at. 8:30. So 8:30 we came down. You had to wait. See
That's Bitcoin?
Yeah. So at 8:30 when the market opened, it
That
came
2
off.
minute?
That's a 2 minute. It
Okay.
came off of the 20 and came all the way down to the 200, which was great for a short.
Yep.
Good for a short right there. Then when they hit the 200, loan that
Reverse
motherfucker
up,
all the
yeah.
way back. Ooh, woo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a sweet. Yeah, sweet right there. Offered at the open, off of the 20 to the 200, and then from the 200 all the way up.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Damn.
That was sweet right there.
That was sweet right there.
That was really nice.
That was sweet. Yeah, you don't get no better than that.
Mm-hmm.
Woo. Damn.
Man.
That's why I love this 200 and this 20. I mean, it gives you a more guidance. It's like, damn, you can't lose. Shucks. All right, here we go. We in consolidation on NASDAQ right now, which telling me if we go consolidate right here, it's a possibility that we may come back down to the 20. Taking it well.
This is London that we rejecting. This box, this white line I have right here. This London, we're rejecting that.
But
It's
look,
in
we
between
so
us.
close to the 200. I'm thinking it may
This
go up
still
to the
might go,
200.
yeah.
It may go up to
yeah.
the 200.
But it's got to break in here in London. Here.
I'm more confident that this gonna go. I'm more confident that we about to go touch the 200.
200, yeah.
Yeah. Because we so close to the 200. So what's gonna happen is you have your 20 going up to the 200. We're gonna get back to a narrow state, and boom, it's gonna do something else. This perfect, man. You don't usually get the market do all this textbook plays. You don't get no textbook than this.
Yeah, today was good.
Today was textbook.
I wish I had a different account to take this scalp on.
Oh, up to the 200.
Yeah, I could go low though.
Yeah, go two or something, and take the scalp to that. But that's about maybe 30 points up there. 10, 30, 10, 20 points. Nice. It feels good when you start the week off green. So feels real good, real good. Nice profits for the day. Nice profits.
We done?
Yeah, we done.
Okay. We done, shit. We had 2 good plays.
We had 2 good plays. We
yeah.
done for the day, y'all. I mean, look at that scalping from the 50% fib to the 200 looks so tempting, but nah, that's when you got your psychology kicked in and said, you know what? Don't be greedy. Put your hands in there and be like,
Right.
But yeah, the market at this point is pointing towards the 200. So any risk takers want to take that risk to the 200, I feel confident in that. Because see, the 200 is coming down. And that means that, yeah. But yeah, we are, good morning. All right. Welcome. Heck, we had this a textbook morning, fantastic plays this morning. We took the opening play, got about 4 or 5 candles going down in the short, and then we took another play right off of the 20, going up to the 50% fib. So we got
clean plays
two clean
today.
plays today. One coming down and one going up. Now the market is looking like it's about to go to the 200 to close this gap. And but yep, that's where we at right now. The 9 EMA is keeping the trend going. We got the 20 going up. We got the 200 look like it's curving down. It's perfect. But look, I mean, even when you look before the market open, look at that. This nice little consolidation for hours. Nice little
On the
consolidation.
200, huh?
Oh, yep, right off of 200. Bam, bam, bam.
And the opening came
in there.
dropped.
Boom,
Yeah.
boom. Shit. I would like to see this happen every day.
And, yeah.
I would,
Well, we got to start playing it like this every other day.
yeah.
How once we got our opening play, and what we did, just waited until
waited.
we saw what it was going to do. If it was going to come out the orb, slightly came out the orb, but went back in.
Yep.
And we put a box, didn't trade in the mess.
Right.
Waited till it
It
broke
broke.
out, came above the 20, took the play to 50% of the field.
And done.
That's it.
That's it. Two good
Textbook.
clean plays, textbook plays. You just don't get it no better than that. I mean, we still hovering around the 50% fib.
Right.
And so it's telling me,
And that's London lows.
and that's
too,
London,
up
yeah.
there. So
That's London lows right
yeah,
there too.
may not
So
break back into that.
what I like to see is, since we seeing that the 200 is coming down, the 200 may go all the way down to the 61, and this market may just come crumbling back down. But yeah, it's almost 8 minutes before the top of the hour. It's Monday, y'all. We about to get off the charts. We about to get our day started, and I really appreciate everybody for joining. Hopefully, you saw what we saw, and go from there. We'll be back tomorrow. I think there's news in the morning, but we're gonna see what it's all about. Thank y'all guys very much for joining.
Thank you.
And we are.
Wait, somebody asking
Which
something?
question?
Said
Bitcoin.
been good to me today. Oh, that's good.
Oh
Good
yes.
Good deal.
Good
Be
deal.
done for the day.
Be
We
done
are
for the
too,
day.
Ning. We
Yeah.
are too.
I mean, Bitcoin was just a great. Again, textbook, right? I mean, you just don't get no better than that. So, all right, y'all. We out.
Have a good day.